so nervous. I'm so ready.
I'm gonna cry.
Good morning. These allergies are working me right now. It is not okay. But we move. This is now an empty. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Miltania. I'm so happy to have you here. If you're not new here, welcome back. It is officially half marathon week. I am so nervous, but it's fine. We're getting ourselves prepared. It's gonna be kind of a busy week, honestly, just in terms of like work, kind of related stuff. And then I have a slower week today. I think it's called tapering. I'm still fuzzy on some of the runner terminology, but I believe this is taper week, which means that I kind of slow down on the amount of running that I'm doing, which is great. But I want to have my nutrition kind of sorted out for at least most of this week. So today we are going to meal prep. I have a lot of stuff here that I got out and set up, and it's just because I want to not have to worry about food this week. I feel like whenever I'm stressed out, I already don't feel like I want to eat. My appetite goes down. I find eating to be inconvenient when I'm anxious or stressed. So I want to get ahead of myself this week and prep some stuff, especially also because I want to have good foods to reach for when I do eat. And I just don't want, what am I gonna eat? What am I gonna eat? What am I gonna eat this week, whatever, tonight, in the back of my mind, at least for as many days as I can. So we're gonna prep some stuff that I wanna make for the week. So I have a list actually, hold on. This is our menu for the week. So for breakfast, I already actually have some oats going. Also, a lot of these foods are things that I already know I like to eat and don't give me any troubles. I'm trying to make this week as easy as possible for myself. And one thing about me, when I'm stressed out, I'm gonna prepare. I'm gonna plan, I'm gonna prepare. So for breakfast, I'm gonna do oats, and then I'm gonna do some egg bites with cottage cheese and peppers, mushrooms, and onions, and bacon. I have the bacon in the oven. That's what's cooking right now. And then for lunch or dinner, really I just wanted 2 other meals. I'm gonna do my bean and tofu curry, which is a recipe that I make not all the time, but I used to make a lot when I was like eating a lot more tofu. I have chickpeas, and then I have cannellini beans that I'm gonna put in the curry. I also have some chicken breast and some onions and peppers, because I'm gonna make kind of like a just chicken peppers, chicken breast and whatnot. I also have white rice in my cabinet, and then I have some purple / forbidden rice, and then I also have some bok choy here that I am gonna either saute with some carrots or roast with some carrots. I haven't decided what I want to do yet. I might end up roasting it because that just means one less item that I have to cook on the stove. I also have some radishes. These are kind of extra credit because I want to use them this week before they start softening up, so I'm gonna pickle those really quickly. And I have some dandelion greens, which is new to me, kind of like the texture of spinach, kind of a little bit, so I'm gonna put those in the egg bites. I'm gonna feel so much better once I have meal prepped all of this stuff. So So we're gonna do a quick inventory. We have sauteed bok choy and carrots. I just put it on the stove really quickly because I didn't want to put anything in the oven or anything like that. Roasted sweet potatoes, egg bites, the chicken fajita. I don't even know what to call it because I did so many things with it. Our chia oats, pickled radishes, which actually look very nice. Tofu chickpea curry. And 2 tubs of purple rice. So I think I'm gonna be pretty set for the next couple of days. Honestly, it was like a week worth of food. I did end up trying a small bite of one of the egg bites because I was just so curious about how it tasted, and they actually taste really good. So I'm proud of how those came out. Looking at everything actually feels like a major accomplishment. So although I'm tired, I feel very, very happy and rewarded with the results. Now I have to find space to put all this in my fridge, but I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. And it's marathon week. Okay, good night. Hello there. Today is Tuesday. I just, of course, finished up with work. I'm getting ready to go out for a little run. It's a beautiful day. It is like 70 something degrees outside. Lovely. I see people. Oh, it's just lovely, lovely, lovely. Yesterday I was feeling so nervous. Today I'm feeling happy and excited. The moods are just mooding. I'm also really happy that the weather's nice. I feel like hopefully this tracks for a good run day. The weather that day is going to be like high 60s allegedly as of right now today, but we'll see as the week goes by. Yeah. Okay, I'm good morning. Today's breakfast is just the oats that I made and some peanut butter, bananas, strawberries, and then I'm having the egg bites. They are so cute. I put a little bit of Greek yogurt and then I had a random tomato, so I put that on top. Hi, you guys. Ooh, that's a little bit bright. Hi. It's been a little bit of time, a lot of time actually. I'm currently getting ready to go to this thing called Hanami Nights. I think the last time we saw each other was this morning when I was making breakfast. So it's been a little bit of time, but it's called Hanami. Is it Hamani or Hanami? I will remember. And it's like this, I think, Japanese like a thing at the Brooklyn Botanical Garden. So I got tickets earlier this month, and you know, I wanted a little bit of a breakup between all of the running prep, something fun and exciting to do. So I'm gonna go there right now. It is getting a little bit late, so I have to go. I had a bunch of stuff to do for work today, and so I kind of like slowed my day down a little bit, but I had a full-blown crisis as I was getting ready, and I was like, I hate everything in my closet. I'm gonna burn this closet down. But it's fine. It's this cardigan that I literally wear once a year and then forget about. This little crop and then black trousers. I'm gonna wear sneakers because my toes are not coming out today. Anyway, let's go. I definitely need to, I'm working against the clock here, so let's go.
Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches then right up. Oh God, you should match it, it's the KO. No white lighter, still I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the aqua.
There's so many candles. This is the brand Linnea. This one is Belgian linen. It smells nice. I'm very, I think I'm gonna get a candle. This one is called Cashmere. Oh, this one is called Night Bloom. It's too strong. So I'm heading home now. I did not buy a candle. Actually, I got a headache from all the candles. So, it's New York, baby. That was so cute. I have my goodies. I got these like shower melts. One is eucalyptus and lavender. And then I got this bar soap. It's like sea salt or something like that. I can't remember, but they smell so good. I feel like today was a beautiful day. I'm so happy that I made it out. And now we're gonna head home. It's like just past 8:30, so I should be home honestly in like an hour, hopefully, if the trains get their lives together. Hello, my darlings. So we are back in familiar territory, aka home. That commute was, yeah, I ain't enjoyed none of that. I had such a good time. I'm so happy that I got out of my house. It kind of breaks the week up a little bit when you do things in the middle of the week, so that was good. I moved my butt. I want to show you guys everything. It's really 2 items that I got. The ones that I was telling you guys about maybe on my commute back home. Why do my lips look so... Anyway, Cleanse Gourmet shower steamers, or a pack of shower steamers. Can you see it? Cute, right? This is peppermint and eucalyptus. I can smell it a little bit through the bag. It smells really, really good. I can't wait to have these in the shower. And then I picked up this bar of soap. It is from a company called Formulary 55. It smells so delicious. I have a thing about, like, whenever I go somewhere, if I go out of town, if I go to somewhere like a botanical garden, I really like to pick up a bar of soap or bars of soap. I don't know why. This just like my little memorabilia. And then when I use them, I think about the experience that I had at that place. Like, now that it's like a thing for me, it's like a random tradition that I started with myself. And for whatever reason, whenever I get these bars of soap, they always treat my skin so well. But yeah, I'm gonna eat, shower, eat, and then go to bed. And I will see you angels tomorrow. Or maybe tonight for dinner cam. But probably tomorrow, because y'all already saw me meal prep. So, like, there's really no reason for me to... Good night. Because I was just about to... You see, good night. Currently dressed for my very last run before the half marathon. Today is Thursday. I'm kind of feeling it. I'm feeling excited now. I feel like I've gone through, like, every emotion before today, but... Now I feel like excited. I'm dressed like a highlighter. It's a beautiful day outside, but I'm gonna go run really quickly. But I wanted to show you guys these two things I just got first. Not run related, but ooh, I got myself an ear pod case. This is from Berga. Look at this. Ooh! Oh my god. This is like my first time seeing it too. It is so cute. Let me unbox it for Instagram first. This one is tea themed, so it has like little teapots all over. How flipping cute is that? Oh my god, you see the little teacup? It did take a long time to come to. I've been waiting for this for like 2 weeks. I need to get a box cutter. Today we're gonna use a pen to open the box. As I have mentioned maybe on this vlog a lot, I have been dying with my allergies. Today, oh, it's not my air purifier. Never mind, I lied. I thought it was my air purifier. It's laundry detergent. Okay, never mind. That's it. Whoops, I thought it was here, girl. I got too excited. Whoops. This is what happens when I don't check anything. Well, I got laundry detergent. Shout out to Tide. Today is the day that I go pick up my bib. I have my bag packed here. Just a bunch of stuff that I'm going to leave there that I can have after I run. So I have a long sleeve towel, some wipes for when I kind of clean myself up after, some kind of toiletries, my hat, some pants, sweatpants and stuff, because I do plan to change once I am done running, because I imagine I'm gonna be mad sweaty. This is so extra, but here it is. We are ready. I am so ready. To have a little bit of oatmeal this morning. I don't have the biggest appetite, so I'm just gonna go with it. I tend to run fasted often, so I think I'm gonna be okay. I did not have a bunch of oatmeal, but I'm not really that worried about it. I think having a good amount of sleep last night was the biggest thing, so I don't feel too bad. I'm pretty much done. I'm ready to go. Have all my gels. They're going in my pocket. Maybe we'll meet at a bar. I think I'm ready. We're halfway there.
gonna cry.